In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Notion. We'll walk through a simple way to turn a basic database into something you can use for scheduling, planning, or tracking important dates. Even though this process is short, I'll explain what each action does so you understand how it all fits together and can adapt it to your own workspace. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your calendar to live. This can be an existing page in your workspace or a brand new page that you've just created. Once you're on that page, click into the body of the page where you normally type. We're going to create a database first because Notion calendars are really just views of a database. Type a /, then the word table. As you type, Notion will show a list of options. From that list, choose Table Database. This creates a brand new database right on your page, with columns and rows where each row is an individual item or event. Think of each row as one thing you want to track, such as a task, meeting, or deadline. Once the table appears, Notion will give you some default properties, like a name column and maybe a few others. To turn this into something that works as a calendar, you need to add a date property. This is what Notion will use to place each item on a calendar view. Look at the top of the table, where you see the column headers. On the far right, you'll see a small plus icon to add a new property. Click that plus icon. A menu will pop up with different property types, such as text, checkbox, select, and so on. From that list, choose calendar or date, depending on how it appears in your version of Notion. When you select it, Notion will add a new column to your table that stores dates. You can now click into any cell in this column to pick a date from the date picker. Assign a date to each item you want to show on your calendar. From here, you're ready to turn this database into a true calendar view, filter it, or group it however you like, all powered by that date property you just created.